So, come on down here. These meats you want to really avoid because these are probably the worst part of the hamburger or the beef. What we want to do, what you want to do is look for this. Grass-fed. These are the perfect meats. Look at that. Grass-fed. Just Bare. Love their brand because the chicken doesn't even stink. It's not slimy. It is very much the most organic chicken that we can get. They have young chicken wingettes, breast fillets, chicken thighs, tenderloins. All right, guys, we're going to walk through the store. Now, some of this is sped up because I spent a lot of time in the store so you can feel empowered on what to buy. Pass up anything that you have been programmed to like, unfortunately, and make a stop to some new things. And you will discover a non-GMO verified project label. This means that these products, by law, and it is listed on the FDA's website, are what they have labeled on them, not with the bioengineered food ingredient in it. These are the things that you can feed your family with. Now, this thing all down there, ignore it. Now, they do have alternatives to everything. And I want you guys to feel empowered to be able to feed your family and your kids. But it's going to take so much research for all of us because we want to make sure that we are getting things on our own terms that's going to be healthy, not only for us, but also for our children. The bioengineered food ingredient, just speaking from my own personal experience, the chemicals are very addictive. And my kids and myself and my husband were all very much addicted to it. That meant that we overconsumed it. So our weight, we were considered obese. We would overconsume these products because they are addictive. And that means that we're spending more money on it too because it's addictive. We crave it. Once we get it, you feel real good and stuffed and full, like you got the itis. But the problem is the come down. So you would come down from that and feel really low, really depressed, and then want this product all over again. This is causing mental health issues. This is causing physical health issues. This is the cause of not being able to lose weight. This is the cause of the sicknesses that we go through. If we don't push to change our food quality, it won't be pushed to change. And this is for educational purposes. All right. So this is like one of my favorite companies, Nature's Own, and their bread is really wonderful. You really have to play seek and find in a grocery store. But don't let that be daunting. Let that be fun. Discover new things. Let's break the mold and the cycle. Because if we want a brighter future, we can do so by showing what's important. It is always important for us to read each and every label. It is always important for us to be able to feed our families. It is always important for us to be able to be housed. And it's always important for us to have better quality of meat and products for us to consume. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about the food quality? What do you think that we should do? And how do you feel about this list of normal household items that people buy all the time? Being able to actually find them in the grocery store. I'm talking about rice, pasta, chips, meat, fruits. It's really easy with the fruits, and I hope you guys are able to figure that out. But I did put a video up to show you the list that's actually on the FDA's website of all the GMO veggies and fruits. So I want to make chocolate chip cookies for my kids for the holidays, but we don't want any bioengineered food ingredient. I picked this up and I was so disappointed to read contains a bioengineered food ingredient. So we're gonna have to put this back. But I did find right here, non-GMO.
It says Guittard.
Guittard. And then the cocoa powder is a non-GMO too. Isn't that awesome? Oh my God. I'm super excited. All right, for all my moms out there who doesn't want to deal with Tyson and them putting bugs and whatever in their food, you can get just there. For chicken nuggets, chicken patties, chicken tenders, frozen. They have lightly breaded chicken breast bites, chicken burgers, chicken tenders. They even have chicken nuggets. So there are ways to go organic. Oh, this is a different company. This is Purdue. Look at that. That's what you want to look for, that label. Get back in there. Oh, also, let's close this. Applegate does have some really good chicken nuggets. We tried it for the kids. They did like it. Now, just being honest, all of these are going to be on the expensive side of your budget. So what you want to do is to make sure that you kind of prioritize that, because we still want to be budget conscious, but we also want to get healthier food. Because it's not so addictive like the bioengineered food, they won't eat it that frequently, if that makes sense. So the Breyers and Blue Bunny, all bioengineered ice cream. Let me show you what's not. Tillamook. Tillamook is not bioengineered.
Oh, you also need to show them. It's got this little certified B right there.
What's that?
So that means, like, you know, it's like this union of farmers or whatever saying that this stuff is made with real ingredients. Matter of fact, it gives explanation right there.
Tillamook. Safe. In the basket.